So finally, after a lot of trouble and all, we have done the chamber. This is how it looks. So hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are gonna complete this chamber which was broken, as I told you in the last video. So this muffler was broken, so it's not fixed yet. I'll show you. So it's not fixed yet. I need to gas weld it. I'm going there only to gas weld it, and we need to fit a pipe inside that, that to where to find fit the glass hole and all. So we'll directly meet over there. So we came over here, and now it's gas welded, and I fixed the bottle with the chamber and inside the pipe also, but the pipe is little bit crooked. We'll repair it, we'll fix in the middle. And see, this is the welding we have done, gas welding, and it's properly done. I'm satisfied, and this is how it looks for now. So finally 90% work is done, like the bottle also has been a little bit shaped, and the pipe also is in middle now, so in the center. And we just need to make a cap and give a circle shape over here, and we need to bake the cap, just that's it, and the work will be done. So I'll directly show this is the cap, like this is the mouth, end mouth, and I will directly show the whole silencer after fitting in. So finally, after a lot of trouble and all, we have done the chamber. So this is how it looks for now. And see, this is the end cap we have done. It gave a little bit trouble and all, but we did it. And see, this is the welding we have done, and this is how it looks properly. So we'll directly fit and hear the sound. So for now we have directly came to fit the chamber to the vehicle. So this is how it looks. I have buffed the bottle because the red color was looking little odd, and this is how it looks. And this is the bottle, and the welding I has been done downside so that it can't be seen from the upside, like it should not look bad. So the downside I gave the welding, and see, the rest of other welding and all is perfect, it's good. And see, this is after buffing, and the nut also I has been given downside. It will show, this is the cap, this is how it looks from behind, and this is the nut. I gave the both nut downside, so we'll directly fit and hear the sound. I'm so excited to hear the sound too, so we'll directly start fitting. So that's for today's videos. We'll have a fun videos ahead. We'll have a flyby videos, and we are also gonna go for a night ride with 34 RX and all. So stay tuned and subscribe for more two-stroke videos, and press the bell icon for your notifications. Okay, thank you.